There is no worse feeling in the world than putting in your time, energy, and pouring your heart into your content only to see it go nowhere and get no results, especially no leads. As the great DJ Quick says, if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. So in this video, I am going to tackle the 5 reasons why your video content is not bringing in leads and give you some advice on how to fix that. So reason number 1 is because your content is not resonating with the right people. If you're trying to sell a service to construction workers and the only people that are in your network are content creators, then obviously you have a problem. So what you need to do is you need to start making connections with your dream clients, and you need to start speaking about topics that they care about, that are top of mind for them, topics that have their attention. Not only do you need to find the right people, but you also need to find out where their attention is so that you can talk about the things that matter to them the most. And that leads right into number 2, which is that you are not capturing their attention soon enough. So now that you are doing that research and you're finding out these right topics to talk about, you need to get into your videos right away to tell them why they should watch it. There are so many people that are vying for attention on the internet. You only have 3 seconds, maybe even less, to capture that attention right from the beginning. So you need to start every single one of your videos with a powerful statement that gives them a reason to want to continue to watch the video. Because if you are not getting their attention immediately, then it's going elsewhere and it's probably going to your competitor, and they're going to be the ones that end up selling that person. Number 3 is that you don't know how to take your great ideas and turn them into a great piece of content. It could be because you're not hooking them in right away, or you could be sharing information related to your target market, but you're not articulating it in a way that actually connects with them, that gets them curious, that gets them interested in you and what you potentially have to offer to help them solve the problems that they have. So start thinking about how you can take your idea and turn it into a hook that piques the interest of your target client. Then also provide some additional information that helps build curiosity around you and what you do and how you can help them. And again, this is the perfect segue into number 4, which is that people do not feel connected to you. Yes, it's cliche. People buy from people. Know, like, and trust. You hear these things over and over again because they're fucking true. Every single one of us is in a saturated industry. No matter what you do, there are people out there that do the same thing, that provide similar services, that promise similar results. And the reason that a client is going to choose you versus the next guy is because they just like you better. So if you are going into ChatGPT and asking them to write a script for your video and then reading it word for word, and it's completely obvious that you're reading to the screen, you've got a problem. You need to share your thoughts in the most authentic way possible. You need to share your experiences. You need to tell stories. You need people to connect with you so that they will want to do business with you. And the last reason that your content is not getting any leads is because you aren't asking for them. If you aren't talking about your offers and how they can get your clients from their current state to their dream state, then they will never want to buy from you. They need to know that you are the person that can get them what they ultimately want and that you have a path to get them there. That's it. And if you aren't talking about this and you aren't asking people and telling them what actions you want them to take, they are never going to take action. So look, I get pretty fired up about this is because what I see is people going out there, they're creating a bunch of videos. The videos really aren't working. So you know what they do? They give up. And they probably end up back at some dead-end job that they really didn't like, working for a boss that they really don't like, instead of pursuing their dream because they had the whole thing halted because they weren't doing the right things to connect with their potential clients and get them to take the action that you want them to take so that you can help them. So here's what I got for you. I have put together a workshop, and it is called The Art of Selling with Video on easy mode, because that's what I do. I make everything easy, right? So if you are looking for an easy way to start creating video content that is actually converting to leads and conversations with your dream clients, comment or DM me the word art. We're going to go over 1, the style of videos that sell, 2, how to capture the attention of your dream clients. 3, how to create that curiosity around your products, services, and offers. And 4, how to ask people to take action without you feeling like a slimy, sleazy salesperson. So again, if you want to come to this workshop, just comment the word art and I will reach out to you with the information. See ya.